They're all set to go on the 18th of June. They've already mapped out their honeymoon. Got the church, got the flowers, and the bridesmaids' dresses on. He's Mr. Perfect in so many ways. Her daddy's so proud and her mama says, hey, you've got a good one. She says, yeah, thanks, I know. She should be happily wrapped in a dream, dying to kiss him and put on his ring. So why is she walking alone after midnight down a small town street with cold feet? 3 days ago, it came in the mail from an old love she thought had long ago set sail, saying, baby, it's killing me. I hear you're tying the knot, but you should be happily wrapped up with me. It took me to right now, but I finally see. So why don't you meet me one night at our old spot down by the creek? If you've got cold feet. Rain on the sidewalk, doubt in her mind. One thing's for sure, she's running out of time to decide what's right and whose heart she's willing to break. She should be happily wrapped in a dream, safe in a warm bed and sound asleep. But here she is walking back home from a long night down by the creek with cold feet. Here she is walking back home after midnight, trying to breathe with cold feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.